In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a black screen in DaVinci Resolve. This is one of the simplest editing techniques you can use, and it's really helpful when you want to create a pause, separate two moments, or make a transition feel more dramatic. The good news is that in DaVinci Resolve, you don't need any complicated effects or extra media to make this happen. To begin, go to your timeline, because that's where this method works most easily. The idea is very straightforward. Instead of placing clips directly next to each other, you're going to leave an empty space between them. That empty space will automatically appear as a black screen during playback. So first, find the point in your video where you want the black screen to appear. If needed, cut your video at that spot so you can separate one section from the next. This gives you control over exactly where the black screen begins and ends. Once the clip is cut, click and drag one side of the video so there is a gap between the clips on the timeline. As soon as you leave that blank space in between, DaVinci Resolve will display black in that section. When you play it back, you'll see your first clip, then the black screen for the length of the gap, and then the next clip starts. That means the duration of the black screen is completely controlled by how much space you leave on the timeline. If you want the black screen to be shorter, simply drag the clips closer together. If you want it to last longer, increase the size of the empty gap. This makes it very easy to fine-tune the timing depending on the pacing of your edit. A useful tip here is to zoom in on your timeline if you want more precise control, especially when working with very short black screens between cuts. Even a small gap can make a noticeable difference, so adjusting carefully can help your edit feel cleaner and more intentional, and that's really all there is to it. Go to your timeline, cut the video if necessary, move the clips apart, and leave a blank space in between. Once you do that, DaVinci Resolve automatically gives you a black screen in that gap. It's a quick and effective trick, and once you start using it, you'll see how useful it can be for pacing and transitions in your edits.